You got your handy manny phone? Who's on the phone? Who's on the phone? Press that button. Oh! Peekaboo! Dominic. Peekaboo! 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 Clear your throat, honey. What does the elephant say? Good job. Yeah. What does the ducky say? What does the ducky say? What does the duck say? Quack, quack, quack. What does the lion say? Roar. Good job. So smart, little boy. Oh. What about the dinosaur? Oh, bye. Be careful. Be careful. What does the dinosaur say? What's the dinosaur say? You want to find some books? You want to help Mommy find some books? Can you find the birthday book? Can you find the birthday book? The birthday book. Where's your birthday book? Mommy help you get some out. Okay, we'll take some out. Okay, where's the birthday book? Is that it? Happy birthday! Good job. Can you find the Yo Gabba Gabba book? The Yo Gabba Gabba? Where's the Yo Gabba Gabba book? There it is! You're so smart! Good job! Can you find the Is Your Mama a Llama book? Is your mama a llama? Look at you. Can Mommy see what book you have? Is your mama a llama? Good job! Yay! So smart. Good job. Can you find me an Elmo book? Can you find me an Elmo book? Find Elmo. Find Elmo. Where's your Elmo book? Where's your Elmo book? Oh, Mommy helped you, but there it is, Elmo. That's my smart little boy. Oh, you found a ducky book? Good job. Can you find your trucks book? Trucks? Trucks? Are you done with the books? Are you done with your bookies? Wow! Where's the truck book? Where's that truck book? That's the ducky. Where's the trucks book? Can you find it? You done? 3 for 3? Leave it at that? Good job. Yay! Let's turn it on. Yeah! Look, here's another.
Spinning round and round.
Okay, go this way. There you go.
Spinning round and round.
Yay!
1. 1. 2. Spinning round and round. 1. 2.
Whoa! You're too fast. What's that? Who's that? Elmo!
Fasten your seatbelt. Let's go.
Can you say bye? Say bye-bye. Dominic. Dominic-y. Bye.